In this video, we will show you how to install Docker Engine on Ubuntu Server. Okay, Docker Engine is like a Docker on the desktop version. We can run any Docker features using just terminal. Okay, I will set up on my Ubuntu server and I'm already logged in using the Pucci application. Okay, to start installing Docker engines, okay, it's better we see the documentation in here, docs.docker.com/engine/install/ubuntu. Okay, after that, we can scroll down in here. Okay, run the following command to uninstall all conflicting packages. This is if we ever installing the Docker engine before. But if we have clean OS or fresh installation of Ubuntu server, we can skip this. Okay. Now we start installing the Docker engine begin from this apt repository. Just copy this. After you copy, go to your Putty and right click on your mouse. It will copy the script or paste the script. Hit the enter. Okay. Let it run until it finish the adding apt. And now install the Docker packages. Okay, copy this. After you copy this back into the our beauty application, sudo apt does get install docker -ca. Okay, because this is using Ubuntu server, I don't have a desktop or GUI version. Hit the enter and press Y. Okay, so that hit the enter again. Okay, installing Docker Engine is very simple, and like this we actually done installing the Docker Engine. So the last step for the number 3, we need just to test our Docker is run or not. Okay, we can copy this again. Okay, and paste. We right click on the mouse and hit the enter. Okay, you can see it appear the HTML, okay, with the hello world. So we successfully install the Docker engine. To start verify our installation or version, we can just using this script. Docker, okay, space dash dash version. When we hit the enter, you can see Docker version is 28.3.3 and also with build version here. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to install Docker engine on Ubuntu server. So after this step, we can run application using Docker. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.